and tricks to pass QuickBooks Online Certification Exam. QuickBooks offers basic QuickBooks Online, advanced QuickBooks Online Payroll, QuickBooks Desktop, and QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise Certification Exam rules. It is open book exam, and there are total 5 sections. Has a multiple choice which may be vary from 10 to 18 questions, and each one is necessary to solve 80% passing marks for the each section. Once they complete the 5 sections, submit for the grading, retake the exam of failed section in case of failure. There are 3 attempts to pass this exam. If you are failed, the session will be logged and you can retake the exam after 60 days. What are the tips to take the exam? Must have reliable internet, have spare time of 2 to 4 hours. Once you have started the exam, finish it by submitting the exam. Otherwise, your progress shall be wasted if you left during the exam. Don't rely on the ChatGPT answers. These are wrong, and consult with the study material in case of consultations. For more information, subscribe my channel Abid Financials, and I shall guide you how to prepare and take the exams. For the more training videos, you may visit my playlist in my channels. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.